dumpster rental service in Wilmington, Delaware. When you need a dumpster rental service in Wilmington, Delaware, Penn Dumpster Rentals is here to provide reliable and affordable solutions. Whether you're working on a renovation project, decluttering your home, or handling construction debris, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our team is ready to assist with fast, friendly service to make waste disposal as easy as possible. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to fit all types of projects, from small cleanups to large-scale construction. Our dumpster rental service in Wilmington, Delaware, has flexible rental periods, so you don't have to rush through your project. We strive to provide everything necessary for an efficient cleanup. With years of experience in the industry, we understand the importance of reliable service. Our team is here to help you every step of the way. When you choose Penn Dumpster Rentals, you're getting more than just a dumpster, you're getting a partner in your project's success. For the best dumpster rental service in Wilmington, Delaware, call us at 610-802-5123. We'll help you pick the right dumpster and take care of the delivery and pickup. Penn Dumpster Rentals, Wilmington's top choice for dumpster rental service.